scientists have discovered the remains of a 99-million-year-old bird fossilized in amber in Myanmar. The bird's 2.4-inch frame was found in the most complete fossil that has ever been discovered, according to People's Daily Online. The bird was preserved in Myanmar's Hukawng Valley, a region that is known for its amber deposits. It was born 99 million years ago during the Cretaceous Period, according to Lida Xing, lead author of a research paper written about the bird's remains. Louis M. Chiappe, who also authored the paper, said the creature was the size of the world's smallest bird, the bee hummingbird, which is found mainly in Cuba. The team that made the discovery also found a 7-centimeter bird last June, which was also preserved in amber. And in December 2016 they found the remains of the tail of a non-avian dinosaur. The new fossil sheds light on the creature's skull, left forelimb, spine, thigh bone and pelvis, researchers Lida Xing said. National Geographic reported that the new bird fossil contains more skeletal remains than any previously discovered bird fossils. Ryan McKellar, who worked on the research, told National Geographic, when it was being prepared in Myanmar, they polished through the front half of the specimen, which gave us an exposed view into the chest cavity and the skull. In addition to teaching scientists about the bird's bones, the fossil has revealed much about the creature's insides. This Myanmar fossil deposit is clearly game-changing. It's arguably the more important breakthrough for understanding bird evolution right now, bird evolution expert Julia Clark told National Geographic. She explained why it is significant, saying, "We used to think we'd never have a whole bird in Cretaceous amber, but now we have multiple examples." Another expert, George Poinar, said, "It's always exciting when a vertebrate fossil is found in amber, especially Cretaceous amber." However, Poinar said that it is a shame that the two diagnostic features of the family are missing, the toothed beak and clawed fingers on the wings. Xing said he was excited that his team was able to find the fossil, explaining that birds preserved in amber can sometimes be sold for $500,000, making them too expensive for researchers hoping to study their remains.